Hey guys, welcome back to Crooked Concepts. Today we're going to be covering a game tutorial rather than the usual finance junky stuff. The reason I'm doing this is because this game's been out for like a year. Thought Marvel would fix the inverted ascend and descend thing, but they never have. And my buddy's girlfriend tries to play this game with us sometimes, and I don't want to have to explain it to her because that's like a whole maze. So we're going to show you how to do this real quick. We're going to invert the ascend and descend to be correct. What I'm going to do is show you. Don't look at this. This is Rogue. Usually what something like Scarlet Witch looks like is ascend is left trigger, descend is the bumper. That's dumb. If I restore defaults really quick, I can show you. See, these are the defaults. How we're going to fix this, pretty simple. Come over here, scroll up to all heroes, go back down. Instead we have something called batch swapping. We're going to say that one and that one. We're going to apply to all heroes even though it doesn't apply them, and then we're going to go find the one that we want. In this case we want Scarlet Witch. Let's say if you wanted something like Magneto for his ascend and descend to be corrected, or something like Iron Man. Those ones don't really matter because they don't have another ability attached to them, so it won't mess it up. That one doesn't matter either. Who's somebody else where they matter? Magneto's one. Oh, this guy's one. I made my ascend and descend that. Anywho, so we're gonna apply it. We're gonna go back to individual button swapping. We're gonna go double check her, and as you can see, ascend is now up here, descend's over here, and the only thing that ended up happening was your LB and your dark seal swapped. So that's about it. But let me see. Actually, if you wanted to, I think we can. Nope. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Hope y'all enjoy the tutorial. Just something you kind of got to live with. Unfortunate. All right. Bye.